I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg biryani, a full guide to creating this delicious dish. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including 6 to 8 eggs, 2 cups of basmati rice, and a variety of aromatic spices. Next, we'll prepare the eggs by boiling them until they are perfectly firm. Finally, remember to soak your basmati rice for at least 30 minutes before you begin cooking. Now, let's craft the flavorful base for our biryani. Begin by sautéing 2 large sliced onions in 3 tablespoons of oil until they achieve a beautiful golden brown. Then, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 slit green chilies, cooking until fragrant. Incorporate whole spices such as 4 green cardamoms, 2 cloves, and 1 small cinnamon stick. Finally, mix in 1 chopped tomato and a blend of powdered spices like 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. The layering process is crucial for a perfect biryani. First, arrange a generous layer of the prepared masala at the bottom of a heavy-bottomed pot. Next, carefully place the 6 boiled and lightly fried eggs evenly over this flavorful base. Then, top with a layer of partially cooked basmati rice, which should be about 3/4 done. Finally, garnish generously with fresh mint leaves, chopped cilantro, and a drizzle of 2 tablespoons of fragrant ghee. The final step is the dum cooking, which infuses all the flavors. Seal the pot tightly with a lid or dough and cook on low heat for 20 minutes. After cooking, turn off the heat and let the biryani rest for 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Gently fluff the rice with a fork before serving to ensure an even distribution of spices and eggs. Serve your delicious egg biryani hot with a side of cooling raita or a simple salad for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.